In today's news, CEO and founder of CryptoNares, Robert Doyle aka Crypto Sensei, believes that XRP may reach $10,000 if the Brics nations adopt it widely. This is a very bold prediction, but combine the Brics payment system news we've been seeing recently with published documents that showcase the connection between SWIFT and XRP and also the Federal Reserve and XRP, the level of mass adoption we will likely see with XRP very shortly with XRP's limited supply, keep in mind, does massively increase the likelihood of this wild $10,000 XRP prediction, as XRP will be utilized as a bridge between the Brics and the Western world, repairing their strained financial relationship. So, first thing first, as we can see from smoke here, the BIS released a document earlier this month in October stating that the cost of cross-border payments can be reduced by linking Mexican SPEI to the Federal Reserve's Fednow. Cross-border Fednow effectively is what they're talking about here, and such a development is only possible right now through Ripple and XRP, as we can hear in this video here with the Ripple presenter explaining how XRP can be used to facilitate payments from the United States to Mexico. Take a listen.
So we work, so there's a small money service business called Qualix based in Texas, and they serve Mexican workers that are sending funds back home to their family in Mexico. So what happens is we have relationships that we've helped coordinate with exchanges on both sides of that transaction. So in the US it's Bitstamp, and in Mexico it's Bitso, both digital asset exchanges. So they're setting the rates. So in some ways it alleviates the need for Qualix, the financial institution in this case, to even hold XRP. They simply go, the risk is then absorbed by the digital exchange. That's their business, right? They're making markets, they know exchange rates, and there's a fee involved with that. But they will give, or they may have a US dollar account at Bitstamp. They'll say, hey, Bitstamp, send $1,000 worth of pesos to this account in Mexico. Bitstamp converts the spot rate. It moves over the XRP ledger in 8 seconds. It gets converted by Bitso on the other end into peso at the spot rate, and then goes out on local rails to the ultimate bank account of the recipient. All of that takes, because there's bank processes on either end that we can't fully control, it takes about 10 minutes, which used to be 3 days. And we've been told that the overall rate that they're seeing is 20 some odd basis points less than they would have seen otherwise, even taking into account FX fluctuations, et cetera, et cetera.
The Fednow will be linking to other jurisdictions thanks to the connection with Ripple and XRP. That is seemingly quite obvious to me. We already know that Ripple is on the Fednow's Faster Payment Task Force Committee, and also that Ripple Payments is connected to the Fednow service and running bank deposits for Uphold. XRP is already being used for domestic cross-border payments, and Ripple with Uphold together are creating the internet of value that they've been talking about. So it's not got the widespread adoption just yet, but it is incoming. But this future as well is not far off in my personal opinion, not financial advice of course, because though of Ripple's additional connections to SWIFT and the Brics supporting both sides, if you will. Once more, as we can see from smoke, Andre Casterman, a former SWIFT employee with over 20 years of experience in the interbank payment space, explicitly here named XRP and also XLM as, quote, crypto assets that will find niche roles alongside government-backed currencies. So, CBDCs basically. This also explains why both XRP and XLM are ISO 20022 compliant, and XRP's usage across the SWIFT network will be a payment instruction via ISO 20022, as we can see right here. Take a look at this published document here from Earthport, a global payments network acquired by Ripple partner Visa, one of the largest cross-border payment systems in the world actually. Earthport, right down here we can see. They showcase this diagram here with XRP listed under the payment instructions right next to SWIFT, right alongside SWIFT. Then look at this second image right here once more. And we can also see a Ripple document breaking down how XRP-based payments operate between financial institutions using payment instructions. But the icing on the cake is in this documented image from RippleNet supporting payment instructions using ISO 20022 as its foundation. On 3 separate occasions I've just showed you now, the term payment instructions are used in the same breath as XRP, and SWIFT as well is equally described as such. One document coming from Earthport, no less. That is a very big deal. This is more, in my opinion, than just a coincidence. And to really drive this point home, to prove XRP's connection to you to Swift, Tunes here. Ripple Payments Partner, which uses XRP for domestic transfers, announces a new service that enables banks to send payments directly to 3 billion mobile electronic wallets, e-wallets worldwide. And by utilizing the existing Swift connectivity, these banks can now access Tunes' direct global network so they can get access to XRP for cross-border payments. One of XRP's key crucial selling points, why it's adopted widely by global institutions and governments, is its interoperability to the financial world. Swift included. This is just two. The Fednow and Swift are two of the three major reasons why XRP has a high potential chance to reach this wild $10,000 price target in the future. The amount of money that's about to flood into this space with institutional investors, getting into Bitcoin and crypto, and soon XRP as well, the ETF incoming, and blockchain becoming this backbone of this new monetary system that's being built. This is why I am so bullish on crypto and on XRP right now, which is why I created a free to join Discord server. There's 430 of us over that now. We are working towards achieving financial freedom, spreading our knowledge in order to become rich in this bull cycle. If you want to join, click the link in the description below, because XRP has also been integrated into R3 Caller to be connected with Swift banks, over 11,000 of them. As we can hear in this video, huge news. Take a listen.
So we've had some recent announcements that have garnered some interest. We created a payment settlement application that's open source. Anybody can download it, anybody can use it or plug into it or what have you. And when we first did it, we did it for XRP, for the Ripple protocol standard. And that got a lot of people very excited that, oh my God, R3 and Ripple have settled their differences and are in bed together. No, not quite. It's just that it was very easy to do as a kind of as an MVP. But now we announced a partnership with Swift. So Swift GPI will plug into our payment settlement application, or actually vice versa. We'll plug into the GPI network. And again, the announcement about the Swiss digital exchange was a big news for us.
Once more, another key piece of evidence supporting XRP's mass adoption that will happen just through Swift, but there are many, many more cases this could happen. Take what you've heard now and learned already for this video with Fednow and Swift and apply that to what Robert Doyle was talking about, the Brics alliance being the ones that could send XRP to over $10,000. The Brics, in my opinion, will be a major, major catalyst. Here we can see from Mr. Man XRP that President Putin can be seen in this video calling for a common currency that can be utilized by the Brics members, because remember, they don't want Swift, they don't want US dollars. But what we have seen already, if you've done your research, is all the Brics members from India to China to Russia to UAE, you name it. All the Brics members are actively talking about and even publishing research papers and documents about Ripple and XRP. Again, even Russia, which I showcased in my last video on my channel. Definitely go check that out if you haven't done so already. To me, it is quite clear that XRP is an asset that is being adopted and utilized worldwide, even in the Brics nations. Which makes sense why there's rising speculation that this common currency, or one of the common currencies that will be coming, could very well be XRP. Their new payment, Brics Pay, their new payment system, is based on digital technology, on blockchain after all. They are working on a common payments platform known as Brics Bridge, and for an MCBDC, or a global stablecoin, to be used effectively, a single multi-currency payment platform must be created. Maybe that is going to be Brics Bridge, or more than likely, Brics Bridge will be the connection, central hub if you will, to the real single multi-currency platform, the XRP ledger. Again, Ripple are trying to create this internet of value. Ripple partners with Swift, with the Federal Reserve, and with the Brics will help them do that to hopefully reach this outlandish price target of $10,000. If you don't believe me though, with the Brics at least, then type into Google right now, XRP India partnership, XRP Brazil partnership, or even XRP Russia bank partnership. Type in any Brics Alliance country member. There are many of them. There's 9 right now, with more coming very, very soon. XRP, type up with XRP and you will see a partnership, you'll see a connection to them. This is a very big deal. Many nations right now express a desire to join the Brics nation, and that will explode very, very soon. XRP is seemingly the currency of choice. So buckle up for the potential $10,000 XRP. Do your own research, or better still, come chill chat and learn more on the Discord server. Again, the link below. But remember, don't look short term, think long term, and I'll see you in the next one.